Hello everyone, I am Shruti Deshmukh, Principal of Horizon Academy CBSE SSC. Soon we are going to welcome New Year 2021 in our lives with refreshed spirits, fresh motives and plethora of energy. Today I want to share my thoughts and advices to all my dear students on things to add in your resolution for the new year. Learn from your past, utilize your present and let your future shine bright. Now at the end of year 2020, we have to analyze our past to take the decision for today and cherish the fruits tomorrow. The year 2020 was more challenging with respect to health emergency, that is pandemic, where everyone suffered in one or other way. The definition and meaning of life has been changed by year 2020 under the pandemic situation. The people such as frontline or middle line warrior minimized a huge loss of our society in this pandemic situation. So I think moving towards the next year, we should be grateful to those people with whom we passed a year full of challenges. We can show our gratitude by simply saying them thank you or any other appropriate means. In that I want mention some few people such as medical practitioners, for example doctors, nurses, pharmacists, sanitation workers, for example maintenance workers, security guards, house cleaning workers, social workers, for example police, teachers who kept the society enthusiastic and energetic. Then the retailers who has also given our basic demands. Then the last one, your family members. In that, mother, father who fulfilled all the demands without any hesitation. Your grandparents all comes under this particular situation. With this gratitude and starting with our topic of today, I want to advise you all to start a new year with a resolution, set of decisions which you will follow, which will have all the necessary tools like discipline, values, good habits, and that will make your today better than the yesterday, eventually leading up to the better tomorrow. So here I am presenting a list of some resolutions in front of my all the dear students to celebrate a new year with new desires, new wishes and with new challenges. In that, the first point or the first resolution will be do exercise every day for at least half an hour. In this, start your exercise with warm up and end it with the Surya Namaskar and Savasana to boost your immunity. It will reduce your lethargy and will bring balanced regime in your life. The second resolution will be, or the second point for the resolution will be, get organized. See guys, organization means distribution along with the arrangement. Again I am repeating, distribution along with the arrangement. So be organized in your studies, in your study material, in your clothes, in your toys, whichever things or articles are there in your house for that. The third point is give yourself a new compliment once in a while. The compliment is there for your motivation, to bring you in the harmony. So in that, what is expected? The expectation is that take out the meaning of complimentary word and work accordingly for befitting into that compliment. The next is join club or community based on your interest area through the online platform. To dream about your interest is very easy, but to work on it becomes difficult. So join a club for your interesting area. The next point is write for yourself. Generally, we write so many things for exams, for competitions, for elocutions. But here I will suggest that write for yourself, not for the other sake of conveniences. In that writing, you can write what you did, what you want to do and how you are going to do. That is about your study, about your passion and about what you did all the day. The sixth point is be a plant owner. I know in childhood age you can't own anything by yourself or without the help of your parents, but a plant you can grow by your own. So be a plant owner by doing the plantation. The seventh point is donate your old clothes. In that, you can donate whichever thing you think to be betterly good for the donation. By this, you will be ready to leave, to share, and it can bring the feeling of responsibility for the society amongst yourself. The last point is go to bed on time without any gadget. See guys, due to pandemic situation, due to online learning, we are habitual to use these gadgets. And this particular point is not only for the students but for the parents also. So try to follow this on urgent basis because we all got habitualized for use of such gadgets under the pandemic. And students, here I will request that before the bed it should not be utilized. Students, here I shared some of my views about the new year. Try to follow or do modifications in that, but remember that sustainable life and achievement is more important for every one of us. Try to celebrate your new year with such list of resolutions or make your own list of resolution. Share it with your teachers, your group, your family, friends, and your parents also. From my side, have a great, happy, healthy, wealthy, and prosperous new year ahead. Namaste, Jai Hind.